Hi, I am Sheikh Mahbub Basha. Welcome to my channel. Happy learning.
Today's topic is physical balance. Let us start the experiment. Physical balance, which is used to find out the mass of the objects corrected to 1 milligram. The apparatus is basically a rectangular teak wood box with glass windows. It has two doors. These two are this one and this one are adjustable screws. You can adjust these screws to make this box horizontal. It should not be tilted, it should be horizontal. Here there is one pendulum suspended, this one. Pendulum suspended. If you make the pendulum pointer tip to tip by adjusting these screws, then this box is said to be horizontal. So it's a kind of spirit level. So pendulum based spirit level. Okay, then let me remove all these so when we rotate this knob, this will be lifted. Observe here, this will be lifted. And this one has ivory tips. Here it is, ivory tips. Okay. This is placed carefully right. So whenever this is lifted, right, if you observe carefully, here there is one dot given. This is this one dot is given. Similarly here there is one dot, and here it is one dot, and this is written as left. So these are already defined, so we need to place similarly here it is two dots are given, and here we have two dots. So this one, then here we have two dots, and it is written R right hand side. So this is my right hand side and this is my left hand side. Right. Now close the doors to protect from any disturbance from the air. So now when you lift it, you should notice equal oscillations on both the sides. If you consider the central line as mean position, the needle is moving towards right up to 5 digits, and it is not at all coming towards the left. So in such case, the mass towards the right side is less. So we have to increase the mass on the right hand side. So what we'll do, we'll stop, then here we have one screw. We need to rotate the screw outside. If it moves outside, weight increases. Then close the door. Now let us observe the oscillations are 5 towards left and 7 towards right. 4 towards left side and 7 towards the right side. So we need a further adjustment. So let me rotate this screw further towards right. 4 digits, 4 digits, 4 digits, 4 digits. So when the oscillations on both sides are equal, then the apparatus is said to be adjusted properly. The scale behind the oscillating pointer is not having any digits printed on it. We have to give some value to each of this line. So when the balance is not in use, the resting point of the pointer, that is the mean position, that is the middle line, is given a value 10, and on the left side 5, 0, and on the right side 15, 20 as shown here. So the scale starts from 0 up to 20 and the mean position is 10. This is the table we are using for this experiment. The columns are serial number, mass in the object in the left pan, mass in the right pan, oscillations left, right, mean oscillations left, right, mean is L plus R by 2. So let us enter the values in the table. Serial number 1, in the left pan nothing is there, so leave it blank, and in the right pan also nothing is there, so leave it blank. Now note down the oscillations we have noted. So 4 digits left and 4 digits right to mean position means they are 6, 14, 6, 14 and 6. Then mean of these three values 6, 6, 6 will be 6, and mean of 14 and 14 will be 14. Then mean of this 6 and 14 will be 10, and this is the ZRP, zero resting point. This is weight box. We have 100 gram, 50 gram, 20 gram, 20 gram, 10 gram, 5 gram, 2 gram, 2 gram, then 1 gram. And here we have these fractions. So this is 500 milligram in this 200 milligram, and this one is 100 milligram. Then this is 50 milligram. Then this is 20, another 20, 10 milligram. This is 10 milligram. This is actually rider. Here this is also equal to 10 milligram. So we can use this one also as 10 milligram. So this is a weight box and fractions also. For convenience, the object whose mass is to be determined is kept in the left pan. So this is for convenience. From our left hand, we can take it and we can place it. So for our convenience, we are using this left pan to put the objects. Then close the door. Then in the right pan, we start putting the weights. Let me start with 20 grams. So 20 grams is kept. See, this needle goes towards the weights. So mass is less towards the right side. So mass is less. Where to the needle goes towards right, so mass is said to be less in the right pan. So the needle movement indicates which side the mass is less. So now we need to add mass to this right pan. So I will add 2 grams. Still less. I've added 2 more grams. Still the mass is less. Let me add 20 grams. Mass is still less. Let me add 500 milligrams. I'm adding 200 milligrams. Four, 17, 4, 17, 4. Right. So the readings are 4, 17, 4, 17, 4. Let us note down in the table. Now the mass in the pan is 20, 10, 30, to 32, 100 milligrams, then 20 milligrams and 10 milligrams. So 32.130 is the mass in the right pan. So let us note down the values in the table. Serial number 2, in the left pan we have taken the specific gravity bottle, empty specific gravity bottle, and in the right pan we have 32.130, 32 grams and 130 milligrams. That means 32.130 grams, and the oscillations are 4, 17, 4, 17 and 4. The mean value of 4 plus 4 plus 4 will be 4, and the mean value of 17 and 17 will be 17, and then mean value will be 4 plus 17 by 2, that is 21 by 2, that is 10.5. 10.5. Since it is greater than 10 ZRP, since it is greater than 10, 10.5 is greater than 10. What is 10? ZRP. So we got a value greater than ZRP. So it is called HRP. It is called HRP. If you got HRP, then add 10 milligrams to achieve LRP. If you got LRP, then remove 10 milligrams to get HRP. Okay. I will remove this 10 milligram. I am removing this 10 milligram and adding this 20 milligram. Now, one 13, 1, 13, 1. Twenty, 30, 32, 100, 20, 40. 32.140 is the mass. Now let us enter the values in the table. Serial number 3, in the left pan, empty specific gravity bottle, and in the right pan the weights are 32.140, 32 grams and 140 milligrams, 32.140 grams, and the oscillations are 1, 13, 1, 13 and 1. The mean value of 1 plus 1 plus 1 by 3 will be again 1, and the mean value of 13 and 13 will be again 13, and the mean value of 1 and 13 is 1 plus 13 by 2, that is equal to 14 by 2, that is equal to 7, and this 7 is less than 10, so it is LRP. So 7 is the LRP because it is less than 10, less than ZRP, it is called LRP. So we got ZRP, HRP and LRP. Now let us go for calculations. Now let us do the calculations. First note down the values. HRP 10.5, LRP 7, ZRP 10, So first of all, we need to calculate the fraction, and the formula for fraction is 0.01 into HRP minus ZRP by HRP minus LRP. Substituting the values 0.01 into 10.5 minus 10 divided by 10.5 minus 7. On simplification, it will be 0.001. So the fraction we got as 0.001. Then next step. Correct mass of the object will be given by the mass corresponding to HRP plus fraction. The mass corresponding to HRP plus fraction. And the mass corresponding to HRP is 32.130 plus the fraction is 0.01. Altogether 32.131 grams. So here we got the third digit after 32 point, after the decimal point 131. The third digit after the decimal is 1, that is the milligram. So the last digit, the third digit after the decimal point is also calculated accurately, and that is the 1 milligram value. So finally we got the correct mass of the specific gravity bottle as 32.131 grams. Okay, right.